Hey everyone! Prepare to embark on a culinary adventure through the magical realm of the restaurants in Disneyland Paris. From the enchanting world of Pirates of the Caribbean to the world from Aladdin and the timeless charm of Beauty and the Beasts, we've created the ultimate list of dining destinations in the most magical places in Disneyland Paris. So, let's dive into the top 5 restaurants at Disneyland Paris. Our number 1 favorite is Captain Jack's restaurant. Located within the mystical depths of the Pirates of the Caribbean attraction, Captain Jack's restaurant offers a one-of-a-kind dining experience amidst the adventures of Jack Sparrow and his crew. Set sail on a gastronomic journey with seafood dishes and tropical delights, all while surrounded by the charm of moonlit waters and mysterious caves. While tastes vary from person to person, one of the standout dishes often praised by visitors is the Captain's Seafood Platter. This extravagant platter typically includes a selection of fresh seafood delights, such as lobster tail, juicy king prawns, tender calamari rings, and perhaps even some flavorful fish fillets. Served with a side of seasoned rice or crispy golden fries, and accompanied by tangy sauces or zesty dips, this dish embodies the spirit of adventure and indulgence that defines the Blue Lagoon restaurant experience. Of course, individual preferences play a significant role in determining the best dish for each guest, but the Captain's Seafood Platter tends to be a popular choice among those seeking a memorable dining experience in the enchanting atmosphere of Captain Jack. Number 2, best restaurants in Disneyland Paris is without a doubt Agrabah Café. Immerse yourself in the vibrant flavors of the Arabian Nights at the Agrabah Café, inspired by the exotic world of Aladdin and Jafar. Feast like a sultan on a sumptuous buffet of Middle Eastern delicacies, from aromatic tagines to savory kebabs, all served in a bustling marketplace ambiance that will transport you to the heart of Agrabah itself. While every dish at Agrabah Café is crafted to tantalize the taste buds, one standout option that receives high praise from visitors is the shawarma platter. The shawarma platter typically features tender marinated slices of grilled meat, such as chicken or lamb, served with fragrant rice, pilaf, or couscous, and accompanied by a vibrant array of meze-style sides. These may include freshly baked flatbreads, tangy hummus, creamy baba ganoush, crisp falafel, and a colorful assortment of pickled vegetables and salads. This dish offers a harmonious blend of savory spices, succulent meats, and fresh ingredients, allowing diners to experience the rich flavors and hearty textures of traditional Middle Eastern cuisine. Whether you're a fan of grilled meats, exotic spices, or simply crave a taste of Agrabah's culinary delights, the shawarma platter at Agrabah Café is sure to transport you on a magical culinary adventure. Number 3, you couldn't miss in this list, Table De La Lumiere. Step into the enchanting world of Beauty and the Beast at the Table De La Lumiere. Dine in royal splendor amidst opulent ballrooms and enchanted rose gardens where French-inspired cuisine meets Disney magic. Indulge in gourmet dishes fit for a princess or a prince. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Number 4 is a whole new restaurant. At Walt Disney Studio is Stark Factory. Have an appetite for invention and pizza, pasta, and salad? Then fly over to Stark Factory, a high-tech workspace where the Avengers assemble to work on their gear and power up on a mighty menu of fresh and healthy food in between missions. Tony Stark has transformed his father's former factory into a one-stop shop for heroes to come and build their equipment and repair their armor while on campus. And because even inventors need to eat, Tony has ensured that the kitchen is well stocked with the tasty treats of home. Take a seat at one of the work tables and enjoy a meal surrounded by high-tech gear and plans, including schematics for a new wing pack for Falcon, and a giant Hulkbuster armor complete with dings and scratches from previous battles. Recruits can even take a seat in the perfectly preserved former office of Peggy Carter. Amazing, right? Number 5. Are you ready to enter a world that looks much bigger than ours? Visit Bistrot Chez Rémy for a magical experience. Step into the charming bistro of Chef Rémy and indulge in French-inspired cuisine with a whimsical twist. Located in the enchanting surroundings of Walt Disney Studios Park. From ratatouille to decadent desserts, every dish is served with a dash of Pixar magic and a sprinkle of culinary creativity. The one dish you cannot miss when you visit Bistrot Chez Rémy is, of course, the ratatouille special. Of course, is this the typical classic French dish? Ratatouille, which is a flavorful vegetable stew made with tomatoes, eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, onions, and herbs. Served alongside a bed of fluffy rice or crusty bread, this dish is a celebration of French cuisine and pays homage to the culinary adventures of Rémy, the gourmet rat from the film. What makes the ratatouille special at Bistrot Chez Rémy so special is not only its delicious taste, but also the immersive dining experience it offers. Diners feel as though they've been transported into the whimsical world of Gusteau's restaurant, where even the smallest details contribute to the magic of the meal. So, if you're looking for a culinary adventure that combines delicious food with a touch of Pixar magic, be sure to try the Ratatouille Spéciale at Bistrot Chez Rémy. It's an experience that's sure to delight the senses and leave you with memories to savor long after the meal is over. From high seas adventures to fairy tale feasts, Disneyland Paris offers a dining experience like no other. So, whether you're craving seafood with pirates, Arabian delights with genies, or French cuisine with ratatouille, there's a restaurant to suit every palate and every fantasy. Bon appétit and happy exploring. Disneyland Paris awaits you with open arms and unforgettable adventures. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more magic and tips for your next trip to the most magical place in Europe. Also, check our description for links to all of our favorite Disney products. See you soon at Disneyland Paris.